Hi there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make Facebook photos private. First of all, click on the three dots line on your right upper side. Then select settings. After that you need to scroll down and search for audience and visibility. Then choose the third section, posts. Now choose the first section when it says who can see your future posts. Go on that and go on try it now. After that you need to type something and go on the bottom line, and here you have more options. See more. You need to choose the last one, only me. That will give the option to get the photo private. Go back and go post. Now return to your profile photo and you will see, first go in your profile photo and then scroll down. As you can see now, just now you have posted something, but it's not visible for anybody. That means that now you know how to make Facebook photos private. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you again. Have a nice day and see you soon.